Hey everyone, here's my pasta dish. Extra virgin olive oil, garlic. I love garlic. Black pepper. Lots of oregano. A little bit of salt. Sauté till the garlic is tender. Add a little bit of tomato paste. A little can of tomato sauce. Stir and make sure that tomato paste gets broken down. Put the salted water to boil for the pasta. While that starts to boil, I grate my Parmesan. Add the pasta to the water. Then I add the pasta to the sauce. Super easy. Super easy meal. Stir it together. Oh, I added Parmesan. Forgot. Then you stir it together. Plate it. I added some mixed greens, cut them up from a mixed green salad. A little bit more Parmesan. You just can't get enough Parmesan. And there you have it. Let me know if you make it. Have a great day. Have a great week. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't, please do for more videos. Thank you.